Pet grooming vacuums that integrate brushing, clipping, and suction are increasingly popular for households with shedding breeds. They promise cleaner grooming sessions, reduced airborne hair, and a tidier home overall. To provide a balanced view, I evaluated 5 models across a shared price band, $59.99 to $84.99, focusing on suction performance, noise, usability, capacity, attachments, and build quality.
Product number 1. AirRobo Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit. The AirRobo kit combines a high-suction grooming vacuum up to 12,000 PA with a 2-liter dust cup and a 4.9-foot hose designed to keep pet hair contained during grooming. It includes 6 guide combs, 3mm to 24mm, for trimming versatility, and a detachable hose to improve reach and reduce noise exposure near the motor. The claimed 50 decibel noise floor at the lowest setting is competitive for dog grooming, and the option of 3 suction levels adds flexibility for sensitive pets. Weight is around 3.84 kilograms, and the power source is corded electric, which ensures consistent performance during longer grooming sessions. Performance-wise, the 12,000 PA suction is among the stronger offerings in this group and is capable of pulling a large fraction of shed hair directly into the dust box during grooming. The 1.5-meter hose length provides reasonable reach, but the overall length may still require you to position yourself closer to your pet for certain angles. The included 6 guide combs enable precise trimming for different coat lengths, and the dust cup's quick release feature supports touch-free emptying, which helps maintain a clean grooming workflow. In practice, the device is best suited for multi-pet households or dogs with substantial shedding where hair control during grooming is a priority. Product number 2. One is All Dog Grooming Vacuum. The One is All LM2 blends a 1.5-liter dust cup with a 7-tool grooming kit, including clippers, nail grinder, paw trimmer, and vacuum capability. It emphasizes cordless operation for the clippers, offering flexibility to groom without tethering to a hose, and supports vacuum-assisted grooming with 59 decibel low noise performance. It ships with a long hose extension, up to 5.2 feet, and a power cord of 8.7 feet, a design choice that improves reach while keeping the vacuum integrated into the grooming workflow. In practice, the LM2 scores well on versatility and ease of use. The ability to detach the vacuum from the hose and operate the clippers standalone is a strong advantage for quick touch-ups away from the grooming station. The 50% larger dust capacity relative to some peers reduces interruption during longer sessions. However, the system's 1.5-liter capacity means more frequent emptying if you're grooming multiple pets or larger dogs, and at $84.99 USD, it sits at the premium end of this dataset. The ergonomic design and cordless operation are appealing for homeowners who want mobility and flexibility, albeit with a trade-off in continuous runtime depending on battery assumptions. Note, this unit is corded for the vacuum portion. Product number 3. Dog Grooming Kit. The 8VR kit emphasizes an all-in-one grooming approach with a 6-guard comb set, 3mm to 24mm, and a vacuum-enabled grooming system. It uses a detachable dust cup for easier cleaning and a 4.9-foot hose plus an 8.2-foot power cord to expand reach. The package highlights a low-noise design with 3 suction levels and a total weight of around 6.63 pounds, indicating a sturdy but portable unit that balances functionality with stability. Performance-wise, the combination of a grooming-focused clipper system with an integrated vacuum helps reduce hair fallout and keeps surfaces relatively hair-free during grooming sessions. The larger hose length improves reach around furniture, and the 6 guide combs support a range of coat lengths. The 4.9-foot hose, while adequate for many spaces, may feel limiting in larger rooms or outdoor grooming scenarios. A potential drawback is the modest market exposure and fewer hands-on reviews relative to bigger brands, which could influence perceived reliability over time. Product number 4. Dog Grooming Vacuum. Ozumec positions its kit as a 7-in-1 grooming solution with a 2-liter dust cup, 10,000 PA suction, and a suite of tools including a paw trimmer and nail grinder. It emphasizes a quiet operation and a flexible 4.27-foot hose with an 8.2-foot power cord. The product's core value proposition is the combination of solid suction with an expanded tool set and a larger sharing of attachments, targeted at households with multiple grooming tasks in one session. Real-world use shows that the 10,000 PA suction is solid, though slightly below the AirRobo's peak pressure, which could affect hair pickup on very dense coats. The 2-liter dust cup helps reduce interruptions, but the heavier unit weight and limited hose length can pose challenges when grooming larger dogs or reaching tight corners. The kit's 3-level suction and quiet operation are clear advantages for sensitive pets, and the attached nozzle head helps with deep cleaning upholstery and carpets between groomings.
Product number 5. Dog Grooming Kit with Vacuum. The Buenke offering emphasizes the strongest suction in this lineup at up to 15,000 PA, paired with a 2-liter dustbin and a 50-decibel quiet motor. It markets a comprehensive all-in-one grooming solution with a full set of guard combs, including a deshedding brush and a robust storage-friendly design. The 50-decibel figure is particularly appealing for noise-sensitive pets, while the 2-liter capacity targets longer grooming sessions without frequent emptying. In practice, this model leans into efficiency. The vacuum captures hair directly into the dustbin as you clip, reducing mess and post-cleanup cleanup. The 3 adjustable suction levels provide flexibility for different pet temperaments, and the inclusion of deshedding tools helps address loose undercoat without requiring multiple devices. The storage bag and compact design are strong points for urban homes with limited space. A potential caveat is that while the marketing highlights the strong suction, real-world performance can vary depending on coat type and pet behavior, so the highest setting may not always be needed for all breeds.